Just interesting sake, what do you score the Chenin Blanc? 14? 13. 13? No, 13 is not, it's very close. I mean, that's 13, 14. Anybody any scoring 15? 13? Okay. 16s? Not. Alright. The Viognier, 13?
Yes.
14?
12.
12, even less. Why? 12.
14.
Oh, 40, sorry. Somebody scored 12.
Acidity, me?
Yeah, acidity.
And still harsh. Okay, strong food on the acidity.
Anybody scoring 15? The Viognier? 16s? Well, you're playing safe in scoring around about 15, 13, 12. I mean, it's very, very seldom that you get a wine of 16, 17. So be very careful to score 70 definitely. The chance of getting a 17.1 is rather limited. So I think you're in the range. And again, this is not the problem. If you approve the wine, that's the problem. The faults and the consistency, that's really what it's eventually all about. Any questions about the wines?
I found, well, I mean, the first one very good. This is an easy drinking wine and probably levels, I mean, sweets and it's I was also comparing to the previous one that you gave some raising comments, the Chardonnay. The first Chardonnay was drinking, and to me the palate is more or less the same in terms of easy drinking. So I'm just going to look into that and into this.
Okay. Any other questions, remarks? If not, so when's our next session? Is it next week or? Yeah, next Monday again. Okay. Right. So then go on the forum and see what other people say about the wine, and see how they differ from me. Obviously, we'll differ. That's what wine is all about. We can't agree about wine. That's why we have been married to the same woman as well. Wine and the song, so we have to differ. Thank you very much. See you next weekend.
Thank you.